Welcome back to the channel DMwithKarl, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upload channel art or a channel banner to your YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to upload channel art or a channel banner to your YouTube channel. Let's jump onto the laptop and get started. So the first thing I want you to do is head into YouTube Studio, go down on the left hand side and click on that customization tab. Then we're going to head up to the top, and next to layout I want you to select branding. Now your profile picture is here, your banner image, and your video watermark. So we're going to change your banner image, and all you have to do is click on this blue change button and then select the new channel art or the new channel banner that you've created and click on open. It's now going to ask you if you want to crop this image. Now remember, your channel banner is going to show on 3 different dimensions. It's going to show on mobile phones, it's going to show on laptops and desktop computers, and it's also going to be shown on TVs. So it's going to change the size depending on what device is being used by the person watching your YouTube videos and checking out your YouTube channel. So make sure that your channel banner looks good on all of these different devices and at different dimensions when you do select the crop for those different devices. Once you're happy with the crop, I want you to head up to the right hand side and click on that blue publish button to make sure that all the changes you've made updating your channel banner is now saved to your YouTube channel. If you can't get into here, what you can do is head across to your YouTube channel, and then once you're on your YouTube channel you can click on this customize channel button, and that's going to take you back into YouTube Studio, into that customize section, so that you can then select branding and then change your channel banner. That's only if you can't get into it from the basic part of YouTube Studio. If you have any questions or queries about uploading your YouTube channel banner, please let us know in the comment section down below and we'll be happy to help you out. If you liked this video and it helped you, make sure you smash that like button, and we'll see you in the next video.